is called site dot page dot categories. I guess should be site dot categories dot I cannot remember. Then I forgot to do one thing. I should edit the date of the post I created in the afternoon. So this is the post I created. It should be today's date. Okay, then I used this one as my key. Yeah, my categories. Then back to my editor, I should put here. Then I remember it's maybe each name function, and this is an anonymous function here. I remember this is the templates for that one, but that one is EJS template. I'm not sure whether it will be suitable here. The function will be suitable here or not. But I will try it first. First, I need to go to my big language programming language notebook and find out what's the correct function name. I remember it should be almost the end. Sort post date. Okay, this one is wrong. Okay, sort type new rows. It should be page categories for each. Page categories for each. It's not site category for each. Huh? I think it's wrong. I double check with my other website. The open source thing I make is rsnippet.com. This is site. So I will look at the thing I use. I look at the layout and I should look at this one, list category lead. So I use the site here. I make mistake in my template. Is that correct? I'm not sure. For each it seems sort this from a list to sort categories. Okay, I see. It's not my post notebook's fault. It's my fault. I look at the wrong line. A call based on this one, sort text sort. It's where is category list categories? Update date, update page dot updated format. I remember I recorded before the find one function. Okay, that this means I did not record it in my note, so that's the reason I cannot find it. No, not this one. It should be here. Just copy and paste. The look for posts under one specific categories. Yes, this one should be look for both and one specific tags. So here, this is tags. Okay, that's it. Then I will back to my here. So set.categories.11 is the correct name for the function I need. This is wrong. This is not the name. The categories name I used should be this one. Dot not each function should be use. I should put here. It's better. Each is correct. I don't need to page, so I can put it on the right. Then it should be it is not one parameter. A string as a parameter is how to say object. I mean code. I mean in JavaScript. So it should be name. This one. Okay, do not commas. Then I need the name. Oh, I need a page. Oh, I don't need a page. Posts dot sort sort by title. No, I want to sort it by date. Then one. I recall the one means from latest to newest. I forgot the order, but I just can try and error. It didn't matter. Each function here. Use post. Okay, this anonymous. I finished to create the anonymous function here. Then access to change order. Okay. Yeah. This one. I guess I should move to about page. Okay. And then update my page and to see whether there's a difference. There's an effect for it. Okay, then there's no effect, so whether to put my H1 heading does not affect the page. That's great. Then I needed to add this part for posting page. Okay, I think I just needed to copy this part. I'm really not sure whether it will be working or not. Set here. This is one comment. This create a new variable called year. This means okay. Let me just page dot posts. How about I change to site dot posts? Site dot posts. Why it do not list the schedule? Why they use different templating system. Site. Okay, I want to go see the next themes tutorial, and how they make the category page. This is not the tutorial. I don't think this is the tutorial. Wow, they will create a new theme page. Wow. Next hexo. No. It's this one. I want to see the Chinese tutorial page. I don't know why it does not. It should be the first several results in the Google. So, yeah, this one. Oh, not this one. The third one. Okay, it's Chinese, so I need to see archive page. Okay, it's this one. Archive page. I don't know why. I don't know. It does not require user to create archive page. It's created automatically, but I needed to use their theme, so then it will make something bad. Okay, it's table layout. Okay, they use macro, post collapse, sidebar, title, page archive, blog page class, blog content. First, what is blog here means? I need to go to hexo tutorial page and to look for the answer. Wow, it's only for 40 minutes left. Code block. So code block is not here. If it's not code block code, okay. I should search Sweet template system to see what's the meaning of block. Block here. Okay, logic includes some basic operational blocks called tags for helping country operate on Alaska and various tax abilities. If we ending and the tags, we also have things logic tags. I do not understand what it means. Operation blocks. It seems it does not have any meaning except that to categorize, to put the same thing. And block content is paired with end block. So this one is paired with block. So block page class, then end block. So what is page archive here means? Page archive. And what if I delete this one? I don't understand why. Initially, I thought it was easy. Every time I thought it was easy, then it becomes some difficult thing. Blog title. Maybe anything happens. This is sidebar, so if I delete it, it will affect a lot of stuff. I think there should be no sidebar here, but it still has sidebar. That means there's something wrong with it. Maybe okay, there's something wrong here. Okay, there's something wrong with it. It's an unexpected tag, so only one post each. Unexpected tag. Okay. Tag is for but if I want to use find one function here, so how can I do that? How can I do that? This one is filter undefined with won't explode filters. Okay. Variables, basic usage. Accessing operations. I don't understand. I don't know how to change it. So every time you use this one means a block. White space control. Template adherence. Extends and block for template adherence. This is block title. Extends layout, block head, block content means content. Content is index.html. No. Swig with express.js. Block head. So it means the parent here means this one content, so it will be replaced here. Or the parent will be here. Oh, 7 minutes left. I want to try this one. Adding block archive. I hope it does not have this. and with block and block. Then see whether the error message will disappear. Okay, it still have this error message. So how about, yeah, if it uses the for loop here, then I can change. Yeah, it means this one is an array, so I should delete it. I can use for loop, which was used by Swig post in here. Then I use, and how about this one? Let me try. Also something wrong. Experiment 33. Because they are function. That's the reason why they have one part. Posts dot sort title one date. Okay, I can delete the sort because it automatically, use from latest to oldest. Then we do it again. We still have unexpected if tag. What does it mean unexpected if tag? What do you end it? Because I want to end this if. Oh, I see. It should be end for, not end if. Yeah. Again. Unexpected token. I hate it because it does not show me which line. Then it's my own responsibility to find it. But because I programming every day, then I start to learn one technique to find it, or to narrow down the bug range for the bug. Put the point server cache if you have a second. I have a second, but I'm not sure I'm qualified to answer the question for the Linux server, because this Mac. Okay, you can see that. Okay, you can ask me a question and I will try, or I will Google it, and let's work together and to see whether we can find a solution. Yeah. Maple server, did you hear? Have you been here? Are you still here? Okay, let me use my iPad to reply if you did not answer. Come on. I will try. I will try. Send. What is your question? Just curious, where should we put web apps with WordPress tube? You mean I? I think I don't deal with this issue. Because I use HostGator